Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where applications are missing from the volume mixer on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Now, before anything else, I want you to know that the volume mixer doesn't simply pick up volume for any application, even if it was supposed to be that way. So, for that, you will have to open a certain page or a website, especially if it's a browser, and play something. Okay, you will have to play, let's say, a song or something. Let me try to play a video from Geek Champ. Okay, so when you play a video, that is when it appears in the volume mixer, otherwise it will not. Okay, now this said, if it still doesn't work, then right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select sound in the right pane, scroll down, select volume mixer, and then finally click on reset till you get a tick mark here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.